This is Ant-Man helmet that I made out of pizza box and cans. The cool thing about this helmet is that when you put this on, the LED inside turns on, just like in the movie. This is Make It Cheap. I'm using template from Propway to build this helmet. You can download the template from the link in the description. I love using his template because the template is the easiest one to build. And let me tell you that this is the first good looking helmet I have ever built, thanks to Propway. Copy the template to the pizza box like this. I'm using pizza box because it's thin and solid. But keep in mind that this material is not flexible to build a helmet. The template is pretty much the main part of the helmet. There are some parts that you can't find in the template. Honestly, cutting the parts out is the boring part. You need to be patient. Okay, it's time to glue them together. We need to bend the part a bit like this. Okay, now we have the mask. Now I need layers of cans to cover the mask. We need to draw the mask template on the can like this. And we need to make space like this. You will see what it's for later. Before gluing the can on the mask, I need to color the joint of the mask with black marker. Cut the extra space that we made like this. And I'm using double side tape to glue the cans on the mask. Now we can fold the extra space inside the mask like this. Do the same thing on the other parts. Now we have a nice looking metal mask. We need a piece of cardboard like this, and we also need to cover it with can. It's for the nose part. We're gonna need 4 of it. Glue it on the mask with double tape and cut the side of it. Do the same thing to the rest of it. Now we need big can for the nose, but it's optional. You can use anything that's round. glue it like this, and we can add hot glue to stick it stronger. Okay, the mask is looking good. Let's assemble the helmet. I need to add small pieces of cardboard on the mask for the joint. Now this empty space is not in the template. You can set the size of the helmet with this part. Because I don't have pizza box anymore, I'm gonna use this foam. The helmet is assembled. I need to cut this side of the can so it's not cutting my face. Now let's assemble the antennas. Before coloring the helmet, we need to cover the mask with masking tape. The first layer is white paint, just to cover the box color. And then we color it full black. The color that I use is matte black. The last one, I add a little bit of metallic silver, just a little bit like this. Now we can remove the masking tape. Add small details on the mask like this with can. Also on the sides of the helmet. For the eyes, I just use red file binder. Looks a mess inside, but outside it's pretty cool. Always judge the book by its cover. Okay, let's glue the antennas. It's pretty much done already, but I'm gonna add red LED inside the helmet so that people can see my eyes from the outside. I add one push button on the top of the helmet, so the LED automatically turn on when I put the helmet on. Alright guys, this is it, the Ant-Man helmet. Once again, thanks to Propway for the template. I think I'm gonna use his template for my helmet project in the future. See you on the next one.